mail ID.
Okay, ma'am. Now also I am started recording, ma'am, so that you can see that, ma'am.
Sir, ఇది ఈ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లోకి అయింది వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలి?
Ma'am,
What to
mail
do
ID.
next?
Okay, ma'am. I'm taking this mail ID, ma'am. I'm inviting you as a teacher, ma'am.
Okay.
That means we can take 2-3 teachers also, and students also we can take. So once I'm sending invitation for your mail ID, one invitation, ma'am. Here you can see invited. Ma'am is invited. Like this you can see. So you go to your Gmail, ma'am. There you can get one, ma'am. Sanjay, ma'am, can I have your Gmail ID, ma'am? For you also, I'll add as teacher. Remaining also, just send your email IDs, ma'am. I'll add you as students. So that here only
Yes, sir.
see the practical session, how the students are getting the assignments, how they are doing the quiz competition, everything will get, ma'am. So 10 of you, any 10 of you, send me the email IDs, ma'am, so that I can add you as students, ma'am.
Surender, you added me invitation to team teach.
Yes, ma'am.
BJPS class A and B. I got it.
Click on allow, ma'am. Click on allow and join, ma'am. Next join. Now I'll invite the students also, ma'am. Meanwhile,
Actually, I have to click join.
Join, ma'am. Join, ma'am.
Okay. Now, co-teach class. You have been invited to co-teach BJPS class.
Ma'am,
You are assigned.
my name will come, ma'am, there. Because of Surender P, like that it will come, ma'am. I'm inviting students, ma'am, now. So,
We have to make it accept or switch account.
ma'am, accept, ma'am.
Okay.
We'll get the
I
class.
made it accept.
Yes, ma'am. You
Okay.
are there, ma'am. You are the teacher now. See, ma'am. You are the
Okay.
Yeah, I'm adding some more the teachers. Sorry if I am not adding any teacher.
Any one of you, if you have Gmail account, just you share in chat so
Ma'am,
that sir will add you.
we have so many, ma'am. So many are sent. So I'm requesting the teacher. If any of them I am not adding in the invitation, don't feel, ma'am. Randomly. Yeah, I'm inviting all, ma'am. For you all, there will be one message in Gmail, ma'am. You can check over there. Yeah, I'm inviting these all people, ma'am. See, you can see, ma'am, here. How I am inviting also, you can see, ma'am. If you want to, if any of you want to join by using of Gmail, by using of our class code also, just as it is, you open the Gmail, go to that 9 dots, which are in the shape of square, and there you click on join. I'll share this code for you. I'll share this code in chat box. Through this code also, you can join into our class. This code I am sharing now.
This code where they have to type it.
Before creating class, there is join class option is there, no, ma'am? There they are supposed to type this code, ma'am.
Okay.
Now, how many people are accepting my invitation? Ma'am, Shalini ma'am is done, ma'am. She is the one of the student over here.
Okay.
Still,
Others also accept sir invitation.
ma'am, I sent the message for 6 teachers only, ma'am. I am inviting.
6 teachers you sent, but only one teacher accepted, right?
Still they are on the way, ma'am, it seems. Once you click on join everyone, click on join in that message. If at all it is asking the Gmail ID and password, you give that Gmail ID password so that you can join into my class, our class. See, ma'am, Aruna P, she has also done, ma'am. Ashfiya ma'am also done. Sanjay ma'am also done. And still people are there. I am sending the invitations for them.
Asra and Narsingh Rao has to.
Yes, ma'am. He's also doing, ma'am. He'll do, ma'am. I'm inviting some more teachers, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Still, yeah. If anyone having doubts in joining the class also, I'll guide you. I'll guide you, ma. Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, if you have any doubt using of the class code also, we can join, ma'am. Here, go to
Mm.
Google Apps, select Google Classroom. Okay, there it will ask you join. After clicking on that join by using of this. అయ్యో, has been ఇదైపోయింది. End అయిపోయింది. మళ్ళీ join అవ్వాలి class. ఇక్కడ 5:30 అయింది, 6:30 ఇక్కడ అయిపోతుంది. థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పావా పాపకి?
చెప్పినా
Sorry for the interruption, ma'am.
లేదు. ఉన్నారా అందరూ?
Ma'am, we are here. Ma'am, ma'am, make me host, ma'am.
Okay, again same. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I am the host now.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, we'll continue the process, ma'am. Till now, we have done
Yes, yes.
up to
We will.
invitation for the teachers and students as done. So still, I'll stop this with this, ma'am. Invitations I'll stop, ma'am, because of still I need to give the state assignments and quiz for the students. So these many teachers, these many students are here, ma'am.
Students, you
Yeah.
feel that all these are the students.
These all are students, ma'am, and
You are the teacher.
we both are teachers, ma'am. Still, if you want to add as a student, you can send, ma'am, because of very 6 or 7 members are here. So I'll add 2 more, ma'am, if please. You type your message in chat box, ma'am, so that I can. Yeah, one more. Okay, ma'am.
I actually, as I told you about Google Classroom, this is the Google Classroom. With this platform, we can share the assignments, then videos, then quiz, then the PPT, the notes. Then anyhow, you are giving the notes, PDF files, everything we share with this. Then these students are here, no? So suppose in your section, there are 40 students. 40 students, they have to create Gmail. So they have to send it to all the 40 Gmail so that you can add in students in Google Classroom.
Okay.
Students. Okay, sir, is it okay? Is it correct?
Okay. It's okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Correct. So I'll stop the invitations, ma'am. The remaining also whoever
Okay,
invited.
enough.
Now you'll get the assignments, ma'am. This is a very easy process, ma'am. Once you practice, everybody will get it now. And I would like to address here 2 types of teachings, ma'am. One is synchronous teaching, other one is asynchronous teaching, ma'am. Synchronous
Yes.
versus asynchronous teaching. These two differences will come to know if you Google it also, ma'am. So what is the difference between synchronous teaching and asynchronous teaching? I'll make it clear in 2 points, ma'am. In synchronous teaching,
Enough.
you can interact with the students lively. For example, Zoom app. how we are interacting with the students, that is digitally only we are interacting with the students, but we can clarify the doubts of the students on the spot by using of synchronous teaching. Now what we are performing this all is called asynchronous teaching. Whenever the student is ready to take the assignment, whenever the student is ready to write the test, at that time the student can write. So we can call indirectly that is online teaching, and this one is somewhat offline teaching. This is the difference between the synchronous teaching and asynchronous teaching. Yes, ma'am. I'll start the assignment, ma'am, now. So see, ma'am, this is the stream. So here you can see class code, and if something, if I share with you here, or you are going to share with the class, that all will come here, ma'am. That all will come here. So now I am assigning one work. Oh, click on classwork, ma'am. Here we can see create option, ma'am. So actually I'll come from first. See, after opening our class, it will show like these four options: stream, classwork, people, grades. So stream means whatever we are sharing, that will come. That means if some teacher is posting some assignment, some student has done the assignment, that all will come here. So now I am going to classwork. I am clicking on classwork. Now you see create, create. Under this there are five options. Mostly we required with assignment and quiz. And assignment means if you want to give any assignment to the students, so we'll take this one. Quiz assignment means we can give multiple questions, fill in the blank, so that this indicates the quiz assignment. And coming to question, if you want to give any questionnaire like all the questions, what is the father, what is your father name, what is your mother name, like that, small questions here, ma'am. If you want to post any material, you can go to this option, ma'am. These four
సార్
options.
మెటీరియల్ ఇన్ ద సెన్స్, సారీ ఫర్ ద ఇంటరప్షన్, మెటీరియల్ అంటే మనము క్లాస్ వర్క్ నోట్స్ మెటీరియల్ గా అవుతుందా?
Yes, ma'am. మన class
Is it class work actually what are all the class works you are giving in WhatsApp group now, so
Yes,
that
ma'am.
you can material place, right?
These are
Okay.
the options,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Assignment, quiz assignment, question, material. So I'll go with the first assignment, ma'am. This is the assignment.
Okay.
So when you are going to click on the assignment, it will ask the title, ma'am. So I am giving the title factorization. This is my title, ma'am. This is the title for my project. Here it carries, I'll alert the marks so that instructions will be clear. It carries 20 marks. So everybody will come to know it carries 20 marks. So I need to do this assignment. So instructions are clear and this one is clear. And coming to this side, ma'am, I'm assigning to VJPS class to all the students. If I want to assign to some students also, I can select some students here. But I want to assign to all the students whoever are there in the class. So I am giving this. By default, it will give the option 100, ma'am, 100 points. After completion of the assignment, you can give how many marks you want, that many marks you can give, ma'am. And due date also, you can fix the due date. By this date you have to complete, like that, ma'am. And coming to this topic, ma'am, the topic same wherever whatever we are entering factorization, like that you can give the topic name also, ma'am, like factorization, factors.
Okay.
So these all options are clear, ma'am.
Yes.
So after this, click on add, ma'am. So if you click on add, it will show four options. Google Drive, that means there will be some file from the Google Drive, there you can select. Otherwise link, already if you are created any Google link or YouTube link, you can select that, ma'am.
సార్ ఒకసారి యూట్యూబ్ లింక్ చూపించండి మీరు, ఎట్లా
Okay.
ఇక్కడ తీసుకోవాలో.
Okay, ma'am. YouTube, ma'am. Randomly here only, if you are searching for factorization, click on factorization, so that it will show all the related videos factorization, like this. It is loading, man. On factorization there are no videos, it seems. So, for example, factors, I'll click. So if there are any videos on the factors, it will give that videos. So like this, you click any video. Otherwise, if any of the video is made by you, you can go to that video also, no problem. You just in here, ma'am, factors, food, whatever you want. So like that, what are factors? Here I can what are factors. So I'll click on that and I'll add. So that this what are factors like that they can go through this one, they can go through this, so that they can come to know what are factors. Okay, now whatever the file that we are created by typing, so you click on that file so that we can give the assignment for our students. So select the files, you can see here, ma'am, upload automatically come upload. Here you can see select files from your device. Click on files from your device, click on that, and after that here you can see your desktop files. Suppose I'll select eighth class talent test, so I'll click on that eighth talent test file that is there on my desktop. So I'm selecting that. So I want to upload that. If I want to more files, I can upload more. Otherwise, just I'll upload. I'll click on upload. It is uploading, ma'am. It will take some time, ma'am.
ఇప్పుడు సార్ ఈవెన్ మెయిన్ వైల్
Ma'am, check.
యాక్చువల్లీ అబౌట్ లింక్ అంటే మనం ఏది పంపించవచ్చు?
YouTube lo already I'll share with you, ma'am. Link means, so I'll go to YouTube now. So YouTube. This is my channel, ma'am, YouTube channel. So if you want
ఓకే.
any other also, you can do that, no problem. So here I have number system like this, ma'am. Based on this only, you can select any video, not only my video, any video, you go through that video and just right click on that. You right click on that. You right click on that. There you can find copy link address. There you can find copy link address. Any video.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
Any video, if you give right click, there you can find copy link address. Click on copy link address. Now you go to our class, and here instead of adding some other videos, we can add our own video. Click on link, so that link is
ఓకే.
here, add link, so that link is over. Now they can
ఓకే. ఓకే.
factorize everything, they can see. After factorization, they'll go through these factors, then they will take this test. So now what, as of now, what I'll do is I'll assign to you all. So click on assign option, so that will be posted into your class. This is our I was created this assignment. See this one, factorization. See in stream also,
Okay.
see that. See Surender P posted new assignment, factorization. Yeah, some of you are sending some homework also. So here, if someone is sending the homework, we can see that homework. Yes, ma'am. So now you also, once you go through your emails, once you check whether it is there or not, or it is posted in your Gmails or not. No need to go for classroom also. For the students, just they can open the Gmail. There they can see teacher is post new assignment. There you can see, ma'am. Can I have the reply, ma'am? Is anybody is able to see, ma'am, that assignment? What I sent?
Sir, I am able to see, sir.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
got
Yes,
all
ma'am.
you shared.
Ma'am, thank you.
Yes.
Yes,
Still, ma'am?
even I'm able to see.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Shalini.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, even I got assignment.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. You got the assignments, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Like this, every one of you try among your colleagues, then 4 5 members, you create one teachers and one student, then you can post some like this, the assignment, the link, YouTube link, all these you try it so that you will be getting perfection. Until unless you, if you can't try, you can't able to get anything.
Ma'am,
Practicing is very, very important here. Sir, continue.
is it clear, ma'am, how to give the assignments for the students, ma'am? Is it clear, ma'am? Then so that they can, they will do that assignment and they'll post the assignment to the group, ma'am. To our class group, they'll post, ma'am. Now I'll go to the next topic, ma'am. Again, click on, I'll confirm first. See, in our class, we can see 4 options. Go to classwork. So under classwork, you see create option, plus option, go over there. And this one is quiz assignment. I am creating the quiz assignment now, ma'am. Click on quiz assignment. This seems to be somewhat difficult, but it is not at all difficult, ma'am, if you practice. So I am creating one quiz on polynomials.
Sir, this is Malliga here.
Ma'am,
How will the students post, sir?
Click on the assignment, ma'am, so that they can view the assignment. Whatever the answers are there, they can able to write. They can able to write.
Okay, sir. After writing, there will be post for them an option.
Submit, ma'am. Submit option. Submit. Otherwise, turn in. Within these two, one of will be compulsory, ma'am. Turn in or submit.
Sir,
Okay, sir,
post
thank-
also is another option, sir.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
now
post.
I submit one picture to use to check, sir. So
Oh.
I got post option and I can give any comment also there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We can do that. You can do.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
So this quiz assignment, even there, how many marks the student is getting, student is not come to know how many marks he is getting. Only we have to give the marks for the assignments over here. Coming to this quiz assignment, after completion of the assignment, each and every student, they can come to know what are their marks, and even the teacher also can come to know what are their marks. According to that, we can give the marks over here also. So let us complete this quiz assignment, ma'am. So here I am giving the instruction. Each question carry 1 mark. Each question carries 1 mark. So this is the instruction that I am giving. Now I am clicking on blank quiz. Click on blank quiz, ma'am. Is it clear, ma'am? Quiz assignment, title and instructions. This side also you can give the topic. Previously what I told you, the same things are here. VJPS class, all the students I am assigning to all the students. If you want to give for the some of the students who are slow learners, like if you are feeling like that, you can select the particular students over here. For them only you can give. For them only you can give. Now as of now I am giving for all the students. The points are 100, no due date. If you want to keep a due date also, it every time it is going to remind the students this is the due date. So now I am giving the due date Friday. Okay, time optional they are giving. So something I'll type like this only. So now see, ma'am, due date Friday. By tomorrow 11:50, Friday means day after tomorrow. By day after tomorrow everybody has to submit this assignment, like that I am assigning to the students. Again, if I want to name a topic, I can create a topic. Create topic is nothing but just giving the topic only, ma'am. So as of now I am giving the topic polynomials again.
Sir, can we give the rubrics also?
This rubric option is somewhat in, ma'am, so we should go through that. If I explain this rubric topic also now, everyone will confused, ma'am, so that I am not explaining this, ma'am, rubric. So first of all,
Okay,
we'll
okay.
make it train with yes, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, it's okay. Okay,
Thank you.
carry on, carry on.
So now I am clicking on blank quiz, ma'am. Title over, instructions over, and this side for how many students I am assigning everything. Due date I was created, and this one topic name also. Click on blank quiz, ma'am. Click on blank quiz, so that it will give the Google form like this, ma'am. So this is a quiz on polynomials. So you can rename the quiz also, ma'am. So I am renaming the quiz now. This is quiz on polynomials. So polynomials. This is the quiz on polynomials, ma'am. After that, no need of form description. Already it is over. This is a quiz on polynomials. So what I'll do is, after this, I'll go to the first question, ma'am. This is actually not a question. We have to remind the students you are supposed to enter your roll number and name. Otherwise, who are submitting that assignment, we are not come to know. So just click on untitled question, ma'am. Here you write roll number and name. If they are not having their roll number, just you ask them to write their name. Okay, roll number and name, ma'am. For see, ma'am, only see this first option clearly, so that the remaining all options will be as it is, ma'am. No problem over there. See, ma'am, roll number and name is a short answer or not. If you click on this box, see, ma'am, this side you can see one down arrow. If you click on that, there will be so many options: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes. But as of now, roll number and name is a short answer only, single line answer. So I'll click on short answer, ma'am. So it is required field. You are supposed to fill this. If you are not going to fill this, it's not possible to complete the quiz. So I'll make it as required, ma'am. Here you can see, ma'am, that option required. I'm clicking on required, ma'am. It's over. Okay, ma'am. After that, you duplicate this, ma'am. See, here you can see duplicate option, copy option, like you can see copy option. Click on that, ma'am. This is over. See, I made it as required field, so that only it is giving star mark. Without filling this, they are not able to submit the form. So that is the requirement of that, ma'am. Now I'll go to this option, ma'am. I'm giving the questions now. Because of our title is over, polynomial quiz, our student name is completed. As of now, they have to enter into the quiz only. So I'll create 3 MCQs and 2 fill in the blanks, ma'am, so that you can able to fill that. So I'll give like this bit: linear polynomial. The degree of a linear polynomial. This is our question, ma'am. Here this is compulsory MCQ only, no, so that I am giving MCQ option. Before that question, that is short answer, so that I am giving short answer. See, ma'am, here you can see option 1. So just click on that and enter your option 1. See, there are 2 options, ma'am. Add option, add other. Don't click on add other. Add other gives one more option. So before entering to that, first you have to fill this option. So I am giving this as some 3, ma'am. Next option also I am taking, I am giving some 1, ma'am, and here I am going to 4. And see, ma'am, after completion of this all, you make it as required, and see, here you can see 3 dots, ma'am. Here you can see 3 dots, ma'am. Click on this 3 dots. Why I am telling this means, here we can shuffle the answer, ma'am. Options order we can shuffle, so that I am giving this. If you shuffle this options order, each and every student will get the options in different way. Now I'll shuffle the order. Now you can also compare in lively what is the answer that you are getting. First option 2 na, second option 3 na, like that only you are getting, or something else you can check, ma'am. So I was shuffle the option order. And now the most important thing is we should give the answer key. So now this is some 1 point I am giving. So I am giving the answer key, ma'am. Answer key is a linear polynomial. It is 1, ma'am. Just I am giving like that. Okay. So this one, ma'am. Now this is over. First MCQ is over, ma'am. Similarly, you create one more, ma'am. Here you create one more, and here I'll give a degree of some quadratic polynomial. This also I'll shuffle the options, shuffle the option order, and go to the answer key, ma'am. Go to the answer key and give 1 points, and here you click on the correct option. What is the answer key for us? 2 only, no, degree of quadratic polynomial. So
Yes.
click on this, click on done, ma'am. So as of now, 2 MCQs are enough, ma'am. It is taking time. So I'll go to fill in the blanks, ma'am. Now these are the MCQs. If you want to view this, you can see one I option here, preview. Click on preview option. your form will be displaying like this. Okay, and finally submit. Okay, it is 1 mark, it is 1 mark, these two are required. So as of now I am closing this, no problem. All the here you see ma'am, no need to save this. Actually in words like that we are going to save every time Word document, but here see, here all changes are saved in Drive, so no need of saving again. So what I'll do is I'll create one more section. So here you can see ma'am, this is nothing but, see, these all options are there. Here it is add section, one more section I'm adding. This is for fill in the blanks ma'am, fill in the blanks, fill in the blanks ma'am. So here what I'll do is I'll add one more question ma'am. Fill in the blanks is over, so description, that is as your wish. Click just add question ma'am. Here you can see add question, click on that. So here you can get ma'am, that is the, here also I'll give one question ma'am. Father, here the degree of cubic polynomial something I'll give ma'am. Degree of cubic polynomial. So here it is fill in the blank. So you are supposed to select short answer ma'am. Click on short answer. Here you can write the short. Here I forgot to give degree. I'll give that. Yeah.
Spelling wrong.
Cubic polynomial. I'll click like this. I'll give like this. Okay, this is short answer, no? So for this also it is a number. Automatically it is here, it is giving, you see ma'am, it is a number. Number is custom text. Here, if somebody is entering wrong answer, you can give the error text. It's wrong like that. It's wrong. Otherwise enter correctly like this. Here also we have answer key ma'am. Click on answer key. Here give the point 1, give the point as 1, and add a correct answer is there ma'am. Add correct answer. So there I am giving 3. Done ma'am. Now fill in the blanks. Still if you want to add fill in the blanks, just go for add question and you can fill ma'am. You can add. Same thing. Ma'am, do you have any doubts ma'am up to here? Ma'am, somewhat there will be doubts only after watching this.
Do you have any doubts? Otherwise, he has to proceed further. Huh?
I'll see in chat box ma'am. Some of they are asking.
Okay, okay.
We can give like that options also, and one more question. If I want to, if you want me to duplicate, I'll duplicate ma'am. One more question. How to give the options? How to give fill in the blanks like that ma'am? Each and everything I am recording ma'am. No need of worrying about this. This is my OBS software. Here I am recording ma'am. Each and everything. Still now whatever is done, that all is recording. So if you have any doubt also, just you can go through that recording. I'll send that also in URL. So this is ma'am. If you want me duplicate one more bit ma'am, I'll duplicate one more bit. Just here only ma'am, that option. Click on duplicate. I'll go through one more ma'am. Here I'll give one more option ma'am. Here I want to address one more thing ma'am for subject teacher. Sometimes they are giving the options like in small letters, the option we can write in small letters, otherwise we can write in capital letters also. Here we are supposed to mention that one. So here I am writing the father of geometry. Who is the father of geometry? Who is the father of geometry?
Euclid.
Ma'am,
Sir.
okay, yeah, that girl, no, ma'am. So click on this options, ma'am. Click on short answer because of this is short answer. Here it is not a number, no, it is a text. So go through that answer key, ma'am. Go through the answer key, and here you eliminate this option 3, and the correct answer is, we know that who is the father of geometry? Euclid. So you enter the appropriate option over there and click on done. Here also I am giving 1 point, ma'am. For all 1 point only. So total I was created 4 bits. Here you can see total points are 4. Is it clear, ma'am? Up to here. So here correct answer is Euclid and make it required, ma'am. Make it required. Okay. Answer key also done, ma'am. Here you give if some of the student is entering like if some of the teacher is entering like it is in small letters, it is going to be wrong. So here you give write in capital letters, otherwise write in capitals like this, ma'am, so that the answer is not going to be wrong. So answer key also done. Correct answer Euclid, already I have done with that. So click on done, ma'am. Done. Now you can see how our document is, ma'am. See, click on that I option. See, it is required, so compulsory you have to fill this one and this one here. Next page, in the next page you can find this other section, no, ma'am. See, ma'am, if I want to go for next section, I am supposed to do this compulsory. So you enter that name and give the options. Something whatever you want, give the options, and then only you can go for the next page, ma'am. Next page, and you can answer here and you can answer here. Finally you submit, ma'am. Is it clear, ma'am? Here, ma'am.
Give your responses in chat box.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. So no need of doing anything over here. Just all the responses are, all the editings whatever you have done, that all are saved, ma'am, so that directly you can close that, ma'am. You can close that. And here also see, ma'am, all changes saved in drive. Here you can see all changes saved in drive. So what I'll do is just I'll close this, ma'am. I'll close this. Okay, after closing that, see, ma'am, here you can see assign, ma'am. Here you can see assign, ma'am. So click on, see, again same options, all the students I am assigning now. So click on assign, ma'am. I am assigning to all of you who are there in our class. So automatically you'll get, ma'am. See, in stream, see, Surender P posted new assignment 6-5. Now only I was posted the assignment, quiz assignment. Now once you open your Gmail and go through this assignment and you fill that assignment, ma'am. No need to click on submit also finally. Once you do that, ma'am, so that I can come to know how many are done also. Here there is a column called classwork. Here I can see the classwork, how many of you are completed now. So just now I was posted that. I was assigned to 9 members, ma'am. Still now I didn't get the response, ma'am. Slowly I'll get one by one. Whenever you are going to submit, here I'll get the count. So total students assigned means total students, how many are having due, and this one means how many are submitted. Turned in means submitted, and ma'am.
Surendra sir,
Ma'am.
only we will get the count, or we will get the names of the children who didn't submit also.
That also, ma'am. That also I'll show you, ma'am.
Names also we can find out who didn't submit.
Names also we can find out, ma'am. Still, some of you are randomly you give some options, ma'am, and finally click on submit.
Sir, add my mail ID also, sir.
Sir, okay, sir. Sir, it is Paymar, it is something, is sir. Can I have, sir? Okay, in chat box it is there.
Sorry, ma'am, we don't have any network. That's the problem, ma'am.
It's okay. Already Surendra sir told me. You have a problem networking. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I am adding you, sir. Even if you are adding the students later on also, the people whoever are adding now also, they'll get the assignment, ma'am. Ma'am, have you got the mail, ma'am?
Myself?
Everybody, ma'am. Ma'am, you will not get, ma'am. You are a teacher, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay.
Ma'am, may I know, have you got that mail or not?
Surender sir, I got the assignment which you have sent. I have replied also. I have submitted. Please check it now whether you got it or not.
Ma'am, what about this quiz, ma'am?
About polynomials only I submitted, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Turned in 4 members have turned in till now. So I'll see the names now. Again, they are don't click on unsubmit, ma'am. If you click on unsubmit, it will take it back. ఇప్పటిదాకా నెంబర్ 4 ఉంది, just now it became 3. Somebody is doing unsubmit, it seems. Don't unsubmit, ma'am. So now
Who is unsubmitted? Can you get it, sir?
I do turned in members I can see, ma'am. Narsimha sir, Samina ma'am, and Shalini ma'am, they are done. Still I need to refresh my screen so that I can come to know still who are not yet submitted. That means it's not see, ma'am, here you can see my screen, ma'am. Here you can see that, ma'am. See, turned in means they are completed that work. Bharat sir completed, Farhana ma'am completed. Here just the student names only, ma'am. Just I am not
Names, even we are getting on the screen. The names.
like this, ma'am. Like
Turn in, turn in, turn in.
this turn in people are done with that assignment, ma'am. Still here,
Yes, yes.
still 5
Down
members are not
are
yet done.
there. Aruna P, Asfia, Sanja. These they didn't complete, right?
Still I need to refresh my screen, ma'am. Then only I'll come to know who are done. Sometimes it will show like that, ma'am. Just here one button is there, refresh. Click on that.
Where is the refresh button?
This side, ma'am. For every browser, it will be here, ma'am. Just reload this page like that, ma'am. Click on that.
Reload this page is there.
Reload this page, ma'am.
That one
You can
only.
press F5 also, sir.
Yeah. This F5.
F5 also you can press, ma'am.
For me, this F5 is not working. F5, ma'am.
Function key, ma'am.
F5, yeah?
Yeah, ma'am. For refresh, we use that.
Shift F, left A. What is it?
Normal F5, ma'am. We'll have above the numbers. Function keys we say, ma'am. F1,
Yes,
F2,
yes,
F3.
yes.
Like that.
Ah.
In that F5 for refresh, ma'am. F4 for closing the window.
F5. Okay.
Ma'am, here
Okay.
Bharat sir also there. If you are facing any problem, ma'am, we can assign address the students also, because of we are the students here, no? Why we are not able to submit ante, then students also will raise the same doubt. Sir, I am not able to submit like that. You can ask, ma'am, why is there any problem like network issue? What is the problem, ma'am? Like that, the students also will address, no, ma'am. Like that, we can address the students also. Whether they are telling lies or exactly truth only, like that, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. We'll go through this. Still 5 members. That's okay. So like this, we can see, ma'am, responses. Turn in means submitted. Five assigned means still 5 are in pending. Is it okay, ma'am?
Okay.
Now I'll see how many marks each and every student has got. Here, see, ma'am, for turned in members, I can give the score also. Before giving the score, first I need to see what they are done. For that, whatever the quiz that you are created, click on the quiz, ma'am. Click on the quiz. Yesterday night also I'm not able to find this option. Bharat sir helped me, ma'am, to find this option. So here we can
Okay.
edit this form, ma'am. Edit this form. Can you see, ma'am, this down, ma'am? Click on that, ma'am. Edit this form. So that here we can see questions, here we can see responses, ma'am. Click on responses, ma'am. There are 5 responses for my assignment. So sometimes it will give the window like this. Just click on got it. Nothing is new. So see, ma'am, correct responses. So out of this 5, I'll see individual marks, ma'am. See, ma'am, here one of the student, Samina ma'am, she got 1 out of 4 points, ma'am, which is correct, which is wrong also we can see. See here, correct answer. Ma'am, is it clear, ma'am? You got 1 mark only, no, ma'am? Correct only, no, ma'am? Out of 4 points, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
It is giving correct answer also, no, ma'am? It is not giving for your correct answer.
I'm checking, sir. Once again, I'll check back. I'll check and come back.
Okay, ma'am.
Sir, will the student also know that my answers are wrong, sir?
That's what, ma'am. After getting the score, they has to come to know whether it is wrong or not. Wrong or correct, no, ma'am. Once you check, ma'am, so that only I'm asking, ma'am. Have you got correct answer 1 like that, ma'am? If it is not so, we'll address with some other problem, ma'am. Some other question or something else. Everybody submitted, ma'am, till now. All 9 responses, students are like that. So here individual marks we can see, ma'am. Here 1 on 4 points, Samina ma'am, over. Next I'll go to the next student. Next student, Shalini ma'am. She got this many marks, 0 marks. And next I'll go through the next one. See, Narsimha sir, he got 4 on 4. Okay. Next we can see roll number. He is giving only roll number. For them, we are supposed to ask them to give the name also. Ma'am, make me host, ma'am.
Yeah, Surender, you are the host now.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Surender, sir, this is Amina.
Ma'am, ma'am, please.
Sir, where should I check my marks for the assignment, sir? Can you help me with that?
In your mail, I think so.
Yes, ma'am, it is open. I'm there in the classroom also. I'm just confused.
Ma'am, while submitting only, after submission, it will give the marks, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
It is the first time, no,
Okay.
so that there will be, even for my side also, I didn't fill any form. I don't know where is the marks is going to score, but the student will get the marks there itself, ma'am.
Sir, if the student wants to check their marks,
Yes, ma'am.
these are her marks, where they have to check.
After submitting, they'll come to know what is their score, ma'am.
Okay. Can you submit now all these students' marks?
Here we can submit, ma'am. Now I am watching each and everything, and fifth assignment, some roll number maths they gave, the name maths they gave, so 4 on 4 points, and like this, ma'am. So here, ma'am. So they have to give a exact name, ma'am. Otherwise, again, there will be a confusion. If they give the name has to match with the email ID, so that they will give the marks, ma'am. Ma'am, are you getting the score, ma'am? Even I want to know that.
Sir, we are not getting our score, sir.
Okay, it's not
Even I am not able to find my score, sir.
score. Okay, ma'am. Are you getting correct answer or wrong answer like that, ma'am?
No, sir, I didn't get anything like that. After I completed the quiz, I just submitted. That's it.
Okay. Bharat sir,
Bharat? Again, maybe internet issue, I think so, for him.
yes, ma'am. Here we can come later on. Otherwise, we can post with the correct answer so that they'll come to know, ma'am. It seems. But one of you also didn't get the score, ma'am. Sunday, ma'am.
Sir, I think while submitting only, it will show that. After that, it will not show.
That's what I would ask with Sandhya ma'am and Malika ma'am. Ma'am, can you please guide me?
Sir, there is a
I mean,
option.
when we have practiced on that day, before submitting only, I got the marks. I told you, no, sir, I got the marks అని చెప్పాను కదా మీకు ఆ రోజే సబ్మిట్
Sir, there is
చేసే
a
ముందే
setting, sir.
కనిపిస్తున్నాయి.
Ma'am, Sandhya ma'am.
Sir, there is a setting. Go in settings, sir.
Okay.
Questions, you have the option, right? Responses before response. Yes, sir.
Questions.
There,
Yeah. Okay. This.
questions you have gone. No, so click on the responses, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, click on the settings.
Okay.
Sorry, click on the settings, sir.
This
Setting options.
Okay.
Yeah, here. Go in quizzes, sir. Quizzes option is there, right? After presentation. After presentation, quizzes option is there.
Yeah, is there. Yeah.
Yeah, there. Yeah. Automatically, yeah, there. There the options are there, sir.
Immediately after each submission, release grade. Immediately after each submission is there, ma'am, already.
Yes,
And that only
the
dot is
next
there.
option, sir.
Immediately release grade. That immediately after each submission, and that blue dot is there, ma'am.
So you have to save that one.
Yeah.
That are being saved, ma'am.
Sir, and have you assigned all the points to each and every question? Only.
Here I am getting the score, but students are not getting the score. Later, here I am getting the score, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Sir, go in questions, sir. Go in questions. Questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Now click on the settings button.
Okay, ma'am.
Now check here, sir. Quizzes, in quizzes, you check in quizzes.
Yes, ma'am.
It is also there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Save it, sir. That's it.
Even I'll address this problem, ma'am. As of now, I got this nine members marks like this. So with roll number and name. Whoever are after watching this, just I'll go to that. I'll close this. Who are turned in? I know that who are turned in here. Narsimha sir, have you got marks, sir?
He got it.
So that sir, what the marks, sir? There only. Okay, ma'am. So I'll go to student work, ma'am. Student work. Here I can see who are turned in, what are their responses. Just now I saw that. So based on that, I'll give the marks. If somebody is giving all answers are correct, 70, 90, 100 like that, I'll give one. So after giving this, I'll click on save, so that all the changes are automatically it is going to save in Drive, so that we can do this quiz assignment, ma'am. Like this we can do. See, ma'am, saving. It is if you click on that, it is saving. So just click on that, it is saving. So $70 marks, 100 marks. Here I'll give 100 marks. So like this, the marks we can enter, and we can assign the quiz, and we can get the responses from the students. Based on the responses, we can give the marks.
Surender sir, this is Samina. I'm sorry to disturb, sir. Just now again I have answered the quiz, sir. There when I submitted, after that I got, sir, view points I got. So I opened, so I got only total points out of 4. I got 2, sir, and I am able to see which are the correct answers and which are the wrong answers.
You are getting, ma'am, now what are the correct answers?
Yes, sir.
How many marks?
Yes, sir. When I submit only, I have to check that. It is that option is there, sir. To view your view score is showing,
yes,
sir.
yes,
When
yes,
I have entered
ma'am.
that, Then I came to know my points and I came to know my correct and wrong answers also.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Response, ma'am. For you also same thing, ma'am. If the student want to see their score, yesterday also I was practiced, but I was forgot. After submission, submit will be successfully your score, your form is submitted, like that you'll get. Under that only, there you can see view your score. If you want to see your score, click on that option so that you can see what is your score, ma'am. Yes, correct, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, as of now, do you have still any more doubts, ma'am?
We will stop till here today.
Sir, ma'am.
So let them practice this.
Okay.
Even to upload Google Forms, it is not required for us, I think so. Right?
This assignment and quiz, if we have a better practice, ma'am, then this will help us a lot, ma'am.
This is very, very important, and it will help us a lot. But they have to practice it, no? Already now 6:24. Let them practice. And if they have any doubts, okay, Emma, all of you have to practice. Okay, unless you can't get it, even though now.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
After listening this session, if you have any doubts, also you can ask Surender. He also have from village background. He didn't know all this technology. Even he learned and he has given a class to you. Really, it's very proud for him.
Ma'am, ఇంకొక విషయం మ్యామ్ నేను ఇక్కడ షేర్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను.
Definitely, why not?
Ma'am, actually, while learning, I am not this much of happy, ma'am. But while sharing with you, I am so happy, ma'am.
Really,
I don't know.
Really.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, not only happy, you are feeling very happy, and at the same time, you are getting very much self-confidence. Yes, or no?
Yes, ma'am.
That makes us feel proud.
This is not a single day work, ma'am. Yesterday night, sir guide me. Before yesterday night, Malika ma'am and Sanjay ma'am. Still it is 10:30. Then also they are guiding me, ma'am. Really, for them, thankful a lot, ma'am. Without a teamwork, it is not achievable, ma'am. I can't achieve this.
It's not. It's
teamwork,
not.
Ma'am.
This team 4 of you. You are very supportive each one of you.
Yes.
That's really good thing. First batch, we made it very successfully. The first batch, and at the same time, 4 of them they are very.
Even ma'am, one more thing, while practicing with the Zoom app also, I was created one meeting with high school teachers. We were practiced with the Zoom app, then only we got it, no ma'am. Zoom app options also, even I don't know exactly. Narsimha sir and Joshna madam, Radhika ma'am, Maria ma'am, these all people, we created one meeting. Even after 6:30 also, we were in that meeting only. After practicing those options, those all options only, then only I'll come to know what are what, ma'am. So how much more we are going to practice, that much more we can do the work efficiently, ma'am. This I can share with you.
Oh, good. Thank you for your session. Maybe how many of you have understand, how many of you did not. That is, I am leaving it to you. Then those who did not understand, don't leave it. Okay, don't give up anything. Then you have to try it. Okay, then try to get it. Even we are not at all familiar. We all of us are in the same platform. You don't think that they know many things than us, and don't feel yourself inferiority complex. Every one of us, we are on the same platform. You try to learn, try to practice it. Even if you have any doubts, your friends are there. Even Surender, Bharat, all these are very cooperative. You try to get from them. Okay, then learn it. From next Monday onwards, we are using this Google Classroom, every one of us, right? Thank you very much. I'll not take much of your time, but tomorrow we are meeting at 4 o'clock, 4 to 5:30. Is it okay?
Yes.
Maybe I feel actually there is very short gap between 1:30 and 4. But even about the reason what I got from our colleagues, that is the reason these 2 days will continue 4 to 5:30. Thank you every one of you for very supportive, and you have come as soon as I requested you to attend the training. Even you, all of you have come forward. This is a great achievement for all of us. First of all, you are showing interest to learn, unlearn, relearn. We'll do all these things, right? Thank you once again. Thank you, all of you.
Thank
You
you,
can
ma'am.
leave the meeting, sir, as you are the host.
Yes, ma'am. I'll
Yes.
stop sharing, ma'am. Ma'am, I'll share the same practice session in URL, ma'am, so that they can come to know whatever the point we discussed. Just they can go through that video, ma'am.
Where you will share that URL? WhatsApp.
That URL in our group, ma'am.